guys, welcome to this edition of Baking with the KAM fam. And today we're baking ricotta cheese cookies. Sounds disgusting. I've never made them, but Mom said we're baking them, so let's go.
Let's go. All right, there's only 2 ingredients to these ricotta cookies.
And first, I'll read the instructions, I guess.
No. First, you're going to take the cake mix that I've already opened. So be careful. Don't swing it around. Remember, I told you I opened it. And we're going to dump it into a bowl. The whole box of cake mix. This is just a classic white cake mix. Does it matter? I don't know. This is what they used on the video that I saw. And I said, I want to try these.
Oh my god. Yeah, some classic white.
Yeah, classic white.
This video is not sponsored, sadly. Next.
What's the next ingredient? There's only 2.
Cheese.
Ricotta
that sounds
cheese.
kind of weird to say when you're baking cookies.
So this is whole milk ricotta cheese. I've already cut it in half for her. So hold on, don't. It's fine. She's only going to use half of it. Get a close-up of that face as she is.
It looks like an ice cream.
Disgusted.
Why are you saying yum?
Guys, it's cookies. She wants to try them.
You are gonna love them, Kevin. You love everything. This looks like ice cream. Okay. I think that's about half.
We'll be the judge.
You wanna lick?
No, I don't want to lick.
Can I look?
No. Look or lick?
You can lick it, Kevin.
I want to lick it.
Let Kevin lick it.
All right.
Can
That is all the ricotta. Now, this next step is going to take...
Kevin's gonna do a taste test.
I? Nom nom.
Okay, well, now we need a new spoon because you let her lick off that one.
No problemo.
Keep that left in my
All right, now you need to mix those 2 ingredients until there's no chunks and it's all mixed in together. Now, this might take some work.
Oh, it's not working.
So
It's gonna look like dough.
This is my
it will come to a thick dough.
Thick dough.
So make sure you smush those chunks of cheese down.
Like gingerbread dough. Then you can make like cookie carve it or what is it?
Smush. Smush. Like use the back of the spoon and smush. Squeeze it out.
And stay tuned for some pole vault videos.
We won't put those in there
Track
for
and
you.
field season's gonna be out by the time this video comes out, but it's alright.
All right, so we're gonna have her mix it up and we'll be right back. Here's the smooshing action.
After being taught by the professional.
This is true. On how to smoosh, not smooch. Don't get the 2 words confused. We're not smooching, we're smooshing. All right, you wanna make sure all that cake powder,
Whoa, there's so a lot.
yes, is mixed in there, and then you're gonna smoosh some more.
Smoosh.
All right, what do you think? Are we done?
No.
No, there's still cake batter. We also preheated our oven. It's still preheating to 350.
To the spoon.
Now, these cookies, yes, will be sticky. That's why we have 2 spoons to put them onto our baking sheet. And they actually take quite a while to cook. We're talking 20 to 25 minutes.
Oh my god.
But we're going to see. We're going to try them without any, what's the word, glaze. Some people put a glaze over them.
What if it doesn't taste good?
Well, then we can add a glaze, but we're going to try them. But you have to let them cool completely before you eat them.
If y'all need an arm workout, skip the gym, make some cookies.
It is a workout. Oh, they're coming together though. Less and less cake mix. Oh, something good. All right, and we're back. Oh, that is looking perfect, Ainsley. You did a great job. All right, I guess we need a rest after that. Did they rest this cake mix? I don't remember.
Oh,
I don't think so. I don't know. We're not gonna rest it. All right, so we're gonna take 2 spoons. You're gonna fill 1 with your cookie mix. And then you're gonna scoop it onto the pan. And that one's just gonna help you because it is a little sticky. Whoa, they gotta all be about the same size. Take that all off and start again. All right, now try.
We're gonna need another pan.
They're not gonna spread out, so we don't have to worry about that.
Oh, okay. So there's gonna be balls.
No, we can shape them, but they're not gonna like, at least I don't remember them spreading out. Trial and error, y'all. Okay, that might be a little close, sheesh.
You said they weren't gonna spread out.
I've been wrong once or twice, but only once or twice. Man, the other guy only got like 9 cookies. What do we got going on here?
A lot.
Now you could always top these with sprinkles or
Food coloring.
you could add food coloring, but we don't need food coloring to our food. They need more than that.
She's boring, guys.
Are you calling me vanilla?
Why don't you tell some of your jokes to entertain? Why was 6 afraid of 7? 'Cause 7 ain't 9.
That was a good joke. Wah, wah. Yeah, you might have to move them, but we can adjust
What's
them.
kidnapper's
We're trying to do just 3, like middle.
That's what I was trying to do too. What's a kidnapper's favorite shoe? White
Vans. What did 0 say to 8?
Nice belt.
Oh, good one.
Yeah, go watch our video from me and Matt. I remember that one. Matt literally said that joke.
All right, well, this is what we have. We'll show you before we put it in the oven. The oven is still preheating.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. All right, this is the mess we got going on. So,
They look good.
I need to open
you need to open Mr. Potato Head's booty.
it. I need to open Mr. Potato's head.
All right, our oven is still not ready. This is taking a long time. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put them in. Remember, 20 to 25 minutes, and we're gonna try to
Walk in.
flatten these a little bit or get them somewhat shaped. So we'll be back soon. All right, here we go. 350. We got 15 cookies going in to the oven for 20 minutes. There we go. We'll let you know. All right, so our timer is going off. Got a slightly brown on top. Now remember, you have to wait to eat these. They are very soft and very hot, but they should have a brown bottom. So we will let those cool, and then we will see what the girls think. So we'll be right back. All right, so I moved the cookies over. My partner obviously has left me. Moved the cookies over to a drying rack, and I'm gonna put the last 5 cookies back into the oven for 20 minutes at 350. And we're gonna let those cool, and then we'll try them for you. All right, here we
We're
go.
back.
live.
They look like biscuits.
They look like biscuits.
Nom, 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 nom.
All right, so
Of course,
let's.
Kevlin came because she just wants to try it. And McKenna, don't worry.
All right, so let's take one and try it.
Mm.
Okay, I guess everyone's taking one. Kevlin, put that down.
It
I'll
looks like
try
the
this
Red
one.
Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit.
Oh,
take this
let's hope it doesn't taste like that.
It is good.
It actually tastes pretty good.
What
is it supposed to taste like?
This is
I
the
don't
best
know.
food
A
I
cookie?
ever tasted in the whole world.
Is it a little bit sweet? Again, you could
Can't
put a.
taste the cheese.
You could put a. It's, yes, I'm glad you can't taste the cheese. You could have put a glaze on them, but we didn't.
I think they're fine. It needs to be good with a lemon glaze.
Oh, okay.
But it just tastes like. What?
A light and fluffy.
Yeah.
These are the best cookies I ever had.
Okay, well that might be a
It kind of tastes like a biscuit though.
biscuit.
Not really. Like a little bit. It's not like very strong.
No, they do not taste like a biscuit.
They taste super
She's
sweet.
lying.
They are light and fluffy.
You want some? You want some? You want
We don't
some?
get any.
All right, well that's gonna wrap up this edition of
Cooking.
Cooking with the KAM Fam Baking Edition. So I hope you enjoy some 2-ingredient ricotta cheesecake mix cookies.
I want more.
Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Haven't you done these already?
Can I have another one?
No ma'am. And you'll find more baking episodes to
Right.
come. So stay tuned. Bye.